Hello, we're on our way to get our flu jab.
Not the flu jab. We've
No,
had the flu jab
we've had
already.
the flu jab, the coronavirus jab. We're having the Pfizer one.
Yeah, Leisa.
But we're in a little bit of traffic. We left home with like half an hour to spare. And it's not far away. It's only 7 minutes drive away, but we're in traffic for some reason. It's slow going. But we'll get there. We'll have it done. And we'll tell you how we get on. See you
See you in
later.
a bit. Bye.
Scared?
Nope.
Right, masking up, double mask here now to get the jab. We put one black mask on. I've got my two already, one black, then the other one. Can't be too careful. Right, that's it. Let's go in now. See you on the other side. This is now in the Oaks Medical Center. There's lots of stuff about. We were directed to seats apart from each other. I suppose we could sit together since we're from the same household, but we sat one seat apart, and then we were given numbers. So I got 773 and she got 774. So we sat there waiting. We thought we might have a little wait, but no, right away somebody called us to go in to have it done.
Oh, have you come for your jab? Oh, well, come on in then. I didn't realise that. How are you?
Good.
You've got Rachel and Rachel here. Come and take a seat. Rachel's going to ask you a few questions. Are you having yours, or
Yes.
are you just David Bailey there with the phone? Are you twins by the chance?
We are.
You look very alike. Okay, brilliant. So just a few things I need to go through, if that's okay. Are you well today? You're well today yet? You haven't got a temperature?
No.
No, brilliant. Have you had coronavirus the last 28 days?
No.
Have you been part of any sort of COVID tests, vaccinations
No.
before? No. Have you had a vaccination the last 7 days?
For COVID, no.
No. Are you, or any vaccination the last 7 days?
No.
Nothing, no. Are you allergic to anything that you know of?
Penicillin.
Penicillin. Okay, so I'm reassure you that this is fine for people that have got penicillin allergies. Have you ever had an anaphylactic reaction that's required adrenaline, or you carry an EpiPen around with you? No. Do you take a drug called warfarin, or any medication that thins your blood at all?
No.
I'm pleased to tell you you're good to go. Is there anything you'd like to ask me at all?
No.
No? Just get on with it. We're giving you the Pfizer injection, okay?
Yes.
So you need to hover here for 15 minutes after the injection, just in the tent outside,
Okay.
and we'll give you your booster in 12 weeks. Are you right or left-handed?
Right.
Okay, would you rather I gave you, it does give you a sore arm is what I'm trying to say, so you might prefer to have it in your left. Have you got to take a photograph of her having hers as well?
I have to.
Oh, brilliant. And then have you got to send this off to the family so everyone can see?
Yes.
Done it. Come on, everybody. Okay, that's brilliant. So relax your shoulder for me. Okay, so away you go. You will feel a scratch coming up. Well done. Okay, and then injections going in, and we're done. Well done. Woohoo! First one done. So has Mum had hers, or is this to encourage Mum to have it?
Yeah, she lives in the United States.
Oh, does
but
she?
We want her to have it.
Oh, brilliant. You live together as well?
We do, yes.
Oh, wow, that's
Wouldn't have it
amazing.
any other
No,
way.
oh, I love it. That's so lovely. Okay, just relax your shoulder, make your muscle go nice and soft, okay? I'm sorry, you will feel a scratch coming up. Well done. Over and done with.
Wow.
Well done. Woo! There you go.
Thumbs up.
It's done. All done. No hurt yet.